Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can set a page background on Wix.com. So if you're working on your website and if you feel the need to change the background, just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So when you log into Wix.com, you will be redirected here on this dashboard. And from here, you need to click on Design Site and the website builder or website editor will open up right here. So there are two ways to change background and this is a very short and very simple video. So there's no much explanation required because this is just a straight up action video. You don't need an explanation. You just if you need to change the background of this website that you're working on. Now there are two ways. The first way is that you can change background individually by going here and then changing the background from here. You know, and the other way to do it, you can also change background from here, but this is going to be a separate background for every section that you have. But if you need to change the background in a holistic way, then what you need to do, then you can go here, pages and menu, and then, for example, if you need to change the background of the home page, you can click on these three dots and click page background. And from here, you can change the entire background. If you select any picture, then the entire background is going to be changed. So that's how you do it. It's as simple as it is that you have to go to page menu, go to the page, and then page background. And that's how you change the background of a page on Wix.com. So I hope this video was informative. If you find it informative, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel as well to see more content like this in the future. And I'm probably going to see you with some more.